Okay, we're going to see how bad this is.
This is, for the record, the blizzard of 2013. First time making our way out onto the deck. We had closed the screen door.
That may have been a mistake.
Oh. That's not good. Oh my, that's a lot of snow.
Coming into the house.
This is going to be such fun to have to shovel. Luckily it's light fluffy stuff, otherwise the deck would be out on the ground somewhere by now.
Alright.
And the wind's blowing it all back in again. Time for the shovel, I think. You're going to want to knock it off the door too.
Yeah.
We got off easy. The power did not go out by some miracle because we had winds of 50, 60 miles an hour and it's still a little breezy out there. And we think we probably got 18 to 24 inches, which was not the most that anybody got.
Okay, so I'm stepping down and closing the door so the cats don't get out.
Okay, bye!